Welcome back to the Do and Do Little. We're a mother duo, mother and daughter duo. That's Cray, and that's me. Today we are finishing up our part 2 of our Halloween look. If you guys saw our TikTok, in this one she's doing the Scream video by Michael Jackson and Janet Jackson. Hopefully you guys will check it there. Today's wig is by Chinalacewig. We did this wig previously in one of our other videos called Graying It Out. We just added a little twist to it. It's a blonde wig, 13 by 4, 12 inches in length, and it's a body wave. I'm dyeing it up. I am adding 2 different colors of gray, titanium and platinum, and we're doing the hot water method. That's the dye. Got to mix it up real good in that boiling water. I mix the 2 grays together. Adding more dye to the water so that the blonde turns to a slight gray. You dip the wig into the hot water. I'm using a comb because it's really hot. Dipping the wig in and out. The lace is protected by hairspray and some Vaseline. And look at it soak up all of that color from the water. Needed to add some more dye into the water. Mixing it up. Water is still hot. See me picking it up with my nails. Dipping the wig in. Making sure it's all saturated. It's easier on a short wig. And check this out. Look how the gray came up. I darkened the roots. And I hope you pressed the like by this time.
One eternity later.
That's the finished makeup look we did last week. Hopefully you saw that too. And look, I added some pink dye on the ends. She's showing you the cap construction. There's 4 combs all together and elastic straps. Placing the wig on her head. That's me in the background with my Halloween pajamas. Making sure the wig fits, because it's actually my wig and my head is a little smaller than hers. Using bedhead spray to help with the adhesive. Everything that we used is listed down below in the description box. It's a snug fit. I'm using the spray under and above on top of the lace to help adhere it to her head. It's a quick install. Using my comb to blend it in, and I'm pulling on the baby hairs in the front. As I previously said before, this wig was previously used for our video graying it out. I'm not showing you the full install. It's not necessary. Okay, I'm tying down the wig to help it melt into her scalp. And I hope you have pushed subscribed by now. She's noticing some of her jewels are missing. Having a bite to eat while I take the edge scarf off. Gotta fix those baby hairs. I previously curled the hair prior to installation. This is a non-lasting long adhesive due to the fact that she can't wear colored wigs to work. So after the video, it's coming off. Now I'm just combing the hair. The hair holds a good curl. Because I curled this hair the previous day. Okay, I'm continuing combing it out, somewhat styling it, but look at that pink. Isn't it pretty? So we got dark roots, a brown, gray hair, and pink endings. She's giving you a show. And she's going to show you the back. Nice little tapered cut. Good looking hair. I hope you like this video. We'd like you to like, comment, and subscribe. And she's fixing her jewels. What do you think? There it goes. It's not as sticky. And this is our Halloween look. Now all we need is a place to go, a party to be. See you next time. Bye. The final look. She thought it was cute. She thought she did a really good job. I think so too. What about you? Comment down below.
for watching the Do and Do Little. Make sure you subscribe and also follow us on Instagram and Facebook. All right, love you back. Bye.